the stage for all the other automakers, pretty much every other major automaker that is about to join the North American charging standard with access to this network from Tesla. They'll be able to watch the videos and see what the heck did they get themselves.
We're very in the early days, and as the adapters start rolling up,
In the middle of something, I wish you wouldn't interrupt. Why all this pleasure?
I am returning your many calls.
Well, it's more of a personal suggestion, and it's not an office suggestion.